You're cooking with Diva Butterfly today. Well, this morning. So today I'm going to teach you, today on your side, but morning, I'm going to teach you all how to make bacon cups. Now, this morning I was like, what am I going to eat today? What am I going to eat? What am I going to eat? So today I said, let's make some bacon cups. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm almost done with my bacon. You don't want it to be all the way cooked, because that's not the way you will have the right way to wrap the bacon cups, okay? So that's done. Put this on the side. You don't burn nothing. Alright, and what you need is a pan, okay? In the pan, you want to spray the pan. I'm gonna make like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Sometimes you miscount. So you go ahead and do that. Make sure you rinse your hands off. Start making it. Ready? So you take your bacon and you put it in the pan like so. See, this is why you don't want it to be all the way cooked. Because if you put it all the way cooked, you're not going to be able to wrap it the way I'm doing right now. Okay. And this is the other one. Okay. And we got another one. We're going to put this one right here, the ones that we already buttered and sprayed. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay? Alright, it's very simple, very easy. Doesn't take that long. So I can show you real quick. There you go. That's what it looks like. See? That's what it looks like. Put your bacon like little swirls and make it like a cup. Right? Just as so. Now, egg whites. I'm using egg whites. So I put my egg white in there like that. Like that. You want to make sure you fill it all the way up. Alright, that's done. I made some extra egg white. So pouring it in like this. And pouring it in like that. Something told me I was going to have enough. Now I have enough. And that's it. See? I'm right here. See, you pour it like that. See the egg whites in between the egg, in between the bacon. See? So I had shredded some cheese, and I'm gonna put some cheese on top. Put some cheese in here. This is mozzarella cheese. And you want to preheat your oven for 400. And it only takes probably like 30 minutes to get cooked. So I'm going to let you guys see what it looks like. See? See, I put the cheese in between. Now I'm going to put it in the oven. Alright, let it cook for like at least 30 minutes. So put the time cook, you use your, what's the name? Put it 30 minutes, could be less than that. Okay. Kitchen time. 30 minutes. And that's it, and I will be back. And we'll see how it all turns out. Alright, see you in a few. Hey guys, I'm back. The bacon cups should be ready. Let's take them out the oven. Yes, they are nice and ready. Woo-hoo. So We let them sit there for a few minutes. With the baking cups, basically you can either put avocado, you could put tomatoes, you could garnish it, whichever taste you want. So I'm kind of short on my recipe, so I just did bacon and egg with some mozzarella cheese on top. That's why it's brown up top. So you see it's still sizzling. And this is the easiest way to make a quick breakfast. Again, this is called the baking cups, okay? So we're just gonna let it just sizzle a little bit, but I'm gonna take one out so you guys can see it. So you guys can see, I'm gonna let you see this one. See how easy it comes out? There you go, that's one baking cup. Oop, they never slippery. It's kind of hot too, so. There's 2 baking cups. 3. 4. And 5. Woo! There you go, guys. Those are the delicious baking cups. And like I said, usually when I have this baking cup, I usually put a slice of avocado on the side, or I'll have just avocado on the side. So I'm glad you guys enjoyed my short video, quick and easy breakfast baking cups. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, you're cooking with Divab Tterfly. Hope to see you soon, and let me know how you like it. Bye bye, bon appetit.